hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Up in the door now, Abby, now. Up in the door. Up in the door now, please. Up in the door. Just up in the door. Me nah come in. Up in the door now. Up in the door now, Abby. Me nah earn you, baby. I'm for dear that my youth. Please, me I beg you. Oh man, while I'm on the phone, see me every time. You fling on my phone over there, son. While I'm on the phone. You see me door now up. When I have all right to video me. See me give you money phone. Up in the door now, baby. Up in the door now.
Yeah, what me door? Tell Abby what me door.
Up in the door now, baby.
Abby, me a bed feel. Me a bed feel. Abby, me a bed feel. You know, my fight hard.
No.
Calm down. Abby, me a bed feel. Abby, what me door feel now? Abby, please. Open the door. Open the door, Abby. Open the door. Help me out. Open your door.
Me an idea about hospital, brother. I don't know what.
So who the hospital? You?
Why you, Abby, please, no, Abby.
Are you girl?
Please, no, yeah, mo. Yo, man, you know everything.
Abby, me a bed feel.
Still a deal, Abby.
Abby, me a bed feel. Abby, open the door.
Abby, just open the door now.
Why?
Fuck that, dog.
The police are gonna come for you now.
Yes, brother. Brother.
Am I right?
Me alright, brother, but don't worry, style me, dog.
Wow. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. We know a lot of right now, on a see clip. A lot of we are laugh. A lot of we are say I'm a idiot. A lot of we are say I'm a girl clown. You understand? But people, I am not gonna say those things about this young man and Abby. You see me? Me no know what caused this. Me no know what go on as some people. But all me can say, it's a brother who needs some serious help and serious counseling. You get what me I say? As me can say, he's a brother who needs some serious help and some serious counseling on a real level. You can see say something go on between him and Abby. Car lock up, Abby no want let him in the car. Him climb up on the bonnet of the car, you understand, for Abby no move. Basically like a Abby have the key for the car, for drive the car and thing, my people. You understand, when somebody asks him for a woman, him say, yes, I am woman and thing, my people. You can't hear when this young man in the video saying, he are everything, and do everything for her. And you can't hear when him say them a come from upper hospital. You don't know them ask. If I him the hospital, the question they never answer, my people. Something go down between him and Abby. But for a real of my people, you understand what I can say? Me no know personally what go down. You see me? And me just hope say everything good with between him and Abby. And me just hope say him not do nothing. You understand? We're really out of proportion in a serious level that it hurt Abby feelings why she don't want to let him in a car. You understand? Brethrens and brethrens. You see me? Me know say that's what me always saying. You see every gangster out there, every real man, real G, them always have a catty with them love. No matter you see a man maybe have 10 woman, real man have 10 woman, 5. They always have one out there where him really love my people no matter what. You see me? And you see another case of my people, you can say, so this brother here, definitely, I could have loved our obsession, but on a real level, him no want lose Abby. You understand? Him no want lose Abby, my people. But Abby boy, something go down where Abby decides, you know what? Him nah come in at the car and my people. But as me say, the video may be longer, but I just the 1 hour, 1 minute and 30 second clip I may get my people. It may be longer and this and that. And maybe something happen where police come on the scene and get to talk to Abby and she express her feelings and talk what went down. But let me tell you something. Sometime in a relationship, maybe a lot of people don't want to do it because some people claim them not believe in a counseling. But that's me upon a real level, my people. I believe in a say, if we're in our relationship, things are go down certain way, meaning like, you know, like it a go on a level where it not go right. Honestly, yes, you need to seek help. If you love each other, you really want things to fix, or you really want, you know what I mean, seek help, counseling, you know what I mean, do them thing there. You see me? If you want to fix things, you know, and you between you and your partner who no can't fix it, you see me? Because when you're in a relationship, my people, you see, communication is one of the main keys in a relationship. Communication. You see me? And you know a lot of virgins that say, the woman always right. You know what I mean? Are you ever hear some people that say the wife is the boss? You know what I mean? That's a neck talks, the woman always right or something. But woman, what type of woman? You see me? You can't have a woman and give her the rightest, but what kind of woman you are dealing with? Because you hear some look woman, you know, because we are going to classify woman as woman. You see me? But you have some woman who definitely don't portray themselves or conduct themselves as a real woman. You see me? So, being in a relationship with certain type of lampile now, you can't make them always right. Because if them burn you with all a 50 man or 100 man around, so you're going to give them right. No. So certain things, it depends on who you're in the relationship with. You see me? If you know you're being with a person, you both want to understand each other. You see me? Or you can work over things. And I can't tell any man this, bro. Within a relationship, you see, woman, basically, 99% of woman, them mouth is them strength, bro. And if you are going to continue in an argument with woman when she cuss and get mad and you start cuss with her, then brother, basically you can come like a 2 woman in the house and they say you have a whole heap of problem. You see me? You see when you hear she start like sound an alarm and start la. Yo, hold your peace and hold your calm and just be more observant to the thing. You see me? That's how me deal with my thing. You see me? I say because we all make mistakes in our life, you know, especially when we're in a younger age. And you see, the more you get older, and the more you forget wiser and pray back on your mistake them. And because we in a life when we're young, sometimes we be in a relationship with some people who really love us. Yes, you see me? Like we really love each other. You see me? I say, but based on the fact where we're young and we have some friends sometimes. And you hear some talk with some friend make about girl clown and this and that. And because we are full of that type of talk there, we lose good things. You see me? We lose good things. And if we did really stay and be real with the thing as young and take advice from older people, that good thing there, we could have grown and we'd have achieved a lot. You know what I mean? And build together. But you know what I mean? We all do make mistake, a lot of us. And we have to learn from them, bro. As me can tell you, in our relationship, communication, bro. Understand each other. And be loyal to your partner, bro. You see me? Be loyal. Be loyal, bro. Woman, you go both ways, not depend on the man alone. Woman and man, be loyal. If you know, say you don't love the person, you know, make no sense. You take what you got done, so. Woman, man, and I fling it this, so fling it round, so and fling it. Then you go fling it this, so, and contract certain things, and then you come put it here, so. It makes sense, bro. In our life, we have to think smart, G, because there's so much things out there, bro, like how much diseases and this and that, and you have to think about the future, bro. You see me? Think about it. You know what I mean? You want to live life, you want to travel this or you want to go this, but when you conduct and contract certain things, you know, stress and pain and this and that, you know what I mean? And that's why I always tell younger people, yo, I've been through it in life where I do make a lot of mistakes, and my past life was not perfect. You see me? Was not perfect. Whole heap of rocky road there. But now, if you've been through things, and God bless me where my day and now people, me can use what I've been through. I'm not going to tell the next look young youth, say, look here, you see when you made it at your age, yo, me was a galley, so me have one heap of this. No, me going to say, youth, you see when me was your age, I chose a life where was not right because I could have been a dead man right now because I live a really careless life. I mean, I tell the look youth, say, youth, look here, don't follow certain man and boy you want to bag a girl and this and you want to be a girlist because you see things and time really change now. The devil is loose, bro. You care see some girl out there and them look hot and them look sexy and them look neat up, bro. Nobody fall for that trick there sometime because sometime, bro, it's a whole heap of thing done this go on. You understand? Whole heap of H, this and A, that with a V on it. You see me I say? And they go for the man them same way, yo. You see me I say? So, bro, ladies out there, as me can say, careful, and for the eye them careful, see your way. So normally people they don't know me do my thing. You see me? Me will showcase the video just like how you see the little clip with Abby and so, and then you hear me start calls and give a different side of the story. That's why I tell you say for my type of vlogging is totally different, my people. And this is when I say I'm a fans them and they say NEWLINK we miss you and we love you and with this and that. These are the reason, bro. You know make no sense we have these platforms and just forward on the platform for do these type of video and just go and earn money and this and that. But what? Use the platform and use the resources where you can do better. You know what I mean? And give advice to the people. Some people big up on themselves and people. My day, as I tell us, 7 days of fasting upon them. With them try people, but what? God bigger than the devil. You understand? Them can't wait. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, do subscribe, my people. And that's how the whole heap of changes, people. Remember, NEWLINK is on what? Boy, NEWLINK is up on it. TikTok. Over TikTok, NEWLINK production. Follow the TikTok people. Go over Instagram. Follow NEWLINK CNY, my people. And a whole heap of things, my people. Facebook, NEWLINK production. Snapchat, NEWLINK production. Twitter, everywhere NEWLINK. There, everywhere. Subscribe, and make sure you like the video. People, make sure you like the video. Please, you press the like button. Press the like there. And do a attack. Peace out. Stay safe. Yeah, my people, big up on yourself again, you know. So you don't know, say after I edit the video and think, my people, you don't know, say one of my fans, them forward, you understand, another part of the video to me. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But you see the part, you know, my people, are when the police come on the scene and everything. You get what me I say? And on a real level, my people, I wish I could have shared the video itself, you understand, with the other part, but unfortunately, I can't based on the guidelines them on YouTube and thing. Police, I walk around with them, strap them, I grab the bread and, you know what I mean, the people. But on a real level, what I go do? I go share the audio part from it, my people. Just to go now highlight so they can listen and hear. Because I will talking that with the same brother and even Abby attack and them thing there. And one thing I can say, my people, on a real level, I watch it because the other one is a longer video. It's almost 4 minutes, and people. I want to make you say, Abby, run far from the brother. Run far from the brother. The brother really up to something. You understand? In the end, people made a talk, but after I see that part of clip there, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Because this brother, my people, he want to something. You understand? Because him kill him, say, him want Abby for left him somewhere. You understand? And when somebody even offer him $1,000, my people, it seem like him never want it. You get me? And then after him, like him want to get ignorant, and the same person will offer for even buy my slippers. You get what me I say? Give him $1,000. Him use him and like he want to slap the person phone out tight when. So this brother definitely have a problem, my people, and I say why Abby say him done with it and she can't take it no more. So Abby, run far. That's all I can say. So you don't know, check out the other part from the clip, my people. You don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out.
Lord God, okay. Oh my God, please don't kill him. I'm a new girl. Yeah. No, it's just a try getting a car.
Me not fear nothing, brother. I want to go back to all of just remove. I never try to hurt her. No, I didn't hurt your team.
Boy, embarrassing bad for Abby.
Yeah. And if him wear my one and he'll grab my phone and go away. Enough is enough, man. You want me, I don't fling out him.
How long you Abby?
Since area.
So you're done with him?
Yeah. I'm a madman.
Yeah, but help him that's in a guard jail though.
Abby,
please, not make him go to jail.
Not make him go to jail.
Not make him go to jail. Him just have a breakdown. Hey, come here. You have to. Listen, you have to stop a breakdown. You have to stop a breakdown. You have to. Come on, man up, man. Man up. Calm down, he's just emotional. Abby. The police type involved now. He can't do nothing to you. Abby, come on. This is stressful. Abby. Hey, here's the $1,000. Here.
Baby, please, no. Please, no.
Here's $1,000. Here's $1,000. Oh my God, me understand. Abby, help out the black brother, man. Help him out. What? He's not killer. He's not just emotional. Yeah.
Yeah.
But calm him down. He no need to go to police station. Yeah, man. Come on. Come on, don't have to get in the domestic off-high street, man. That's embarrassment. Hey, black man, hey, brother, you have to control the emotion, man. You understand me? See your money. Control the emotion, man.
I don't want to man the brother.
Jesus, you have to make the police them all you and pull you. Calm down, man. Calm down. All right, let's turn off the camera.